Hi, today it's a little bit different video. I want to show you subscription box of Varalusikka. It's my husband's tiny business, and I help him design these contents in these boxes as well. When I have nothing better to do, staying in bed, it's nice to actually think something beautiful and lovely. So usually the subscription boxes are delivered in these kind of gift boxes with a lovely gold foiled logo on the cover, and it's a really high quality, nice box, and it's lovely for storing your paper bits and pieces maybe. But sometimes there's this unlucky event of the box is not getting in time for us, or the paper being too large to fit into these boxes or something. So I want to show you now the May box. I will tell you later why I have picked just this one. It came in a plain old, shipping box. And this paper is from Helsinki University Geological Institute from the beginning of the 19th century. Just a little detail. And okay, where to start? From the jewelry box. There's always a charm inside, and this time, okay, as you can see, our example one doesn't have lobster clubs, but they always have. They are ready to be attached to anywhere, but okay, there was this one. Okay, and then there's always a stamp inside. There's most of the time it's all happy stationery stamps, but sometimes it gets live press stamps too. Best day ever. Sometimes the day is just perfect and life is good. It's a lovely reminder stamp to, whispering you to remember the lovely little details of life, ordinary life. Okay, classic tape. It's always includes washi tape, and this one is silver gray stripe one. And then there's journal. My husband makes them all by hand, individually, every single one, for each customer. And then there's a paper bundle every time. Now I will take the box out. But you can always use also this large paper one. Okay, let's have a closer look. Right here, it's old papers with an old photo. Oh, this one is lovely. It's seaside picture. And then there's old magazine ad. They all the boxes come each month lovely wrapped, differently each month maybe. And then there's papers of different textures and fonts and colors, and they are all picked up to make a, you know, interesting collection of papers, so you can use them in your work and they will look a bit different, each one. Okay. Prints. Oh, this is May. Our printer really was not working. The only month we couldn't get it fixed. And lovely quotes. This is my favorite part. I usually choose quotes when I stay in bed and rest and have nothing better to do. I love quotes and finding new ones, and then I collect them and pick something that goes well with each month themes. And then this is my favorite paper of all. It's from the beginning of the 18th century. Okay, and this is classic wax paper bag, including, I love it, it's like an old-fashioned goodie bag, you know. Delicious one, isn't it? There's inside unused Finnish labels that have actually gold foil in them. Then Finnish vintage tickets and the classic memo card. Then there's this month it has okay, these extra papers, tiny town tickets, and classic card, wax seal, pits and tiny little serial button. And this is lamp pottery and Varalusikka cooperation sticker. I love them. And then these are my absolutely favorite pieces in journaling. As you can see, ordinary tiny little circles are so common in crafting, you know, and you can use them everywhere. But these ones are made of old Finnish markka currency. When we changed our currency to euro, all the money had to be destroyed, and for some reason we managed to find these pieces that are special and yet so ordinary. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, and there it goes. They are all here except the journal I now want to show you in detail. There's this well, clumsy day today. Tiny little mulberry flower doily, and this is decoration sheet I have actually made myself, and we decided not to glue it in the journal, as some prefer not to have maybe lady images on the cover or something. So you could do it or then leave it out it and use somewhere else. But this journal has been made of recycled papers and coffee dyed ordinary coffee dyed paper. So this is the paper from the beginning of the 19th century, and despite it being old, it's really sturdy. This is recycled paper, coffee dyed paper, and also different kinds of geological studies from the beginning of the 19th century, or from the this refers to some study from the 1903, and you know, different kinds of papers. And here it is. I love it. It's my favorite journal in these boxes. So here it was, the May box, and I chose it because I wanted to show you how you can use the box, and because I wanted to use Primo marketing waxes and kind of tutorial for using them, I decided to use these papers for decorating a journal page and so on. So I am going to do that next with this May box, and make another video for it, about it, and see you there. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day. Thank you.